Hello guys, welcome to Singh Unboxing. In this video, we will be talking about how to apply for police clearance certificate when you have got your ITA for Canada.
We are making more videos for Canada. Subscribe to our channel. Applying for police clearance certificate is a simple process. I have divided into 4 parts for you. First part is applying for PCC online. Second requires you to visit passport office with the requested documents, which we will discuss further. Third is when police visits your home for verification. And fourth part is when you go to passport office to collect your copy of PCC. Let's get into detail about applying online. Go to Passport Kendra site. You can now scroll down below and click on Police Clearance Certificate, and it will show you the process as you can see on the screen. Click on Register Now button to create a login if you don't have one already. As I have mine created, I will jump to login screen. After logging in, click on Apply for Police Clearance Certificate. You can use 2 ways to do it, but I will be explaining how to complete process online. Clicking on Click here to fill the application form online will take you to Passport Details screen. Now for country, you have to mention Canada or whichever country you are applying for. For purpose, you have to mention immigration purposes other than citizenship. This is the part where many people get confused. Press Next. Fill all your details like name, birth date, PAN card, marital status, etc. On this screen, we will add family details and press Next. This screen is for your recent address, nearest police station, and contact details. Now this screen asks you about criminal history if you have any. Pressing Next takes us to self-declaration, in which you enter place, date and save your details. Below that is an option for SMS service, which you can take for timely update on your number for status of PCC. This is not a mandatory option. Press Submit form and let's go to payment screen. Now you just have to pay and schedule your appointment like this. Select online payment and click Next. Select the available passport office from the above list. You can see on your screen the requested charges for this service. Press Next to pay. Now you can pay using UPI too, which is really convenient. Upon payment, you will get a document confirming your appointment date and time with a message on your phone. You will have to carry documents as mentioned on that list. I have added this hyperlink for documents list in the description. If your present address is same as address mentioned on your address proof, you will not be required to carry any other proof, but in case it's not, you can use the documents mentioned on the screen like rent agreement, electricity bill, etc. Now coming to the second part, you will visit the passport office with your required documents and appointment letter. They will provide you with a printout confirming the receipt. This is an important tip. If you have your recent passport made within last 1 year, you will get your PCC right away. If not, then they will inform you about police verification, which should happen in next 2 weeks. In third part, a police officer will visit your home for verification. Officer will ask for 2 neighbors to confirm your residence and sign on the document. On leaving, he will inform you when you can go to office to get it. In fourth part, you will get a final message on your phone that your PCC is ready. Visit passport office to collect your PCC. They will hand you 2 copies of this. This is it for the process. Hit like if you found this video informational, and don't forget to subscribe to Singh Unboxing.